Right, you got to tell us what we're doing with the chip.
Well, which one?
Oh, fair. Chip.
Right, this here, this is called a chip. Hang on a minute, get it on me. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the windowsill. And... and we're going to make the seagulls try and get it, and they're going to try and eat it, but they can't because the window's in the way. So we're going to turn the washers on, and then we'll see what happens. Right, you ready? Okay.
No, look outside.
Come and get it. Right, open the window.
We don't open the window!
No, no.
Don't stop opening the window! That's scaring the shit out of me. I don't like seagulls.
Here, look, check it out, look. Fish chip. Fish chip.
Oh, you spat on me.
No, just wait.
Look at more.
I got Mac.